Here today with the new product from Dry Rub. So these are the same guys that made the seat covers, and I love my seat cover, and now they've come out with a little gym bag. So we've got it here. It's called the Picante Pack, and we're going to take a look. All right, so here we go. So the Picante Pack from Dry Rub. All right, nice size. Oh, it's a backpack style with the drawstring closure here at the top. So it's a good size. Straps are adjustable, looks like. And really easy to wear. I like it a lot. Inside, got a big zipper pouch there. That'll hold a lot. Keys, wallet, bars, snacks, whatever you need there. And, oh, this is a really, really cool feature. Wait till you see this. So, oh, first of all, it's very spacious in there. Really nice. But check this out. So it's a waterproof bag that goes inside, and it's also removable. So there's Velcro there. This is really, really neat. So it's totally waterproof. So for swimmers like me, I can put my wet swimsuit in there and protect all of my stuff. I'm always getting all my clothes wet from my wet swimsuit. So that'll be great. Awesome, awesome feature there. So with the Velcro, then you can just stick it back in there. You're good to go. Another cool feature that it's got is a separate compartment down here for your shoes. I actually brought a pair of shoes so we could see how it fits in there. These are actually my husband's shoes, so they're bigger than mine, which is even better. Yeah, really easy to fit in there. And then you'll just zip up. That's a really great feature. So all your clothes don't get the grime from your gym shoes. Fit right in. And looks like the outside, we've got some mesh pockets here. I also brought a water bottle. Make sure that'll fit in there. So you can carry your smoothies, you can carry your water bottles, or any other bars, anything you've got. Nice fit. So you've got two of those on the outside. So you can carry your water, your smoothie, your electrolytes, whatever you got. And looks like really sturdy material here on the outside, and it's water resistant as well. So there you go. Picante Pack from Dry Rub. Check them out. dryrub.com or on their Instagram at dryrub.